find the distance formula on a coordinate plane, use this formula. The difference in the x's squared plus the difference in your y's squared is equal to the distance on a coordinate plane. So in writing the formula, we are going to put a big square root sign, put two sets of parentheses. We're going to subtract our x's, we're going to subtract our y's. We're going to square them to get rid of the negatives, and then we're going to take the square root of them to undo the square. So squared, squared, and we're going to add the differences of the x's to the differences of the y's, so we're going to put minuses. Now we're just going to fill in the numbers. X, y, and x, y. This is what it should look like in the next step. In the next step, you're going to get 49 plus 25. And finally, you get square root of 74 rather. Sorry about that. So ask yourself, can we simplify this? Let's look at 74. I know 74 is divisible by 2. And if I divide it by 2, I get 37, which is prime. So we can't simplify this anymore, so this is our final answer. This is how we would leave it, but just to approximate this distance, we can use an online calculator, and we can see that that distance is right around 8.6 units, whatever the units are, whether they be centimeters or meters, but it's more accurate to write it this way. So just leave it in this form. Now your task is to find the perimeter using the distance formula. Now please pause the video and try it on your own. Show me the answer, and once you've shown me the answer, then I will give you the solution. I will tell you if the answer is correct or not.